Hi everyone, I'm going to show you my final project about driver test system. This is for those who want to practice theories for his driving license and want to do more tests before having the test. And so let's start. We can log in with an account I registered before and see. Choose the type and then login. Then we can see the homepage of the user center, and this is the this is the username and the email, and this is some sections. And for online test, we have 4 types of test. For standard test, it's just like the test you will have later, and we can see you have 30 minutes to complete 50 questions, and you can choose the answer here. And then if you think you have completed already, you can commit your answer, and then it will give you the score of this test and a list of error questions. Yeah, you got some marks, and it is a list of your error questions, and you can see correct answer, solution, and your wrong answer of each error questions. And this is a type of question. Then we also have all tests for those who want to practice all questions. We can choose one answer and click next and arrow. Then we can go into the page of details of this question and see all the comments that made by others, and we can add our own comments and send a message to someone. For example, send an image to good luck and click. Then he will see your message. We will check it later, and then we can see the spatial test. This is a test for you to choose one type to practice, and we can click arrow. You can see the correct answer and then do next questions. We also have error test for the error questions you did in standard test, and if we click, we can see the error questions here, and then choose the answer wrong, and can always do error questions here. Then we have club. It shows you didn't join any club. We can see the club list. It shows all clubs here, and you can choose one club to join. And for example, we choose Joyce Club, yes, and it will send a request to the coach, because coach will create the club. So let's see the coach. Oh, wrong password. We can successfully. The club post is to showing some information to the members who have already been in your club, and the user request is a list of someone who wants to join in your club, and you need to pass the request so that the user can join your club. Then he will join, and you can see here, and this is the detail of his past tastes. Yeah, it's showing here. And also we can log in as the user to see if he has already been in the club. Here, yeah, it shows you join the club, and the club you have already joined, and you click go to page to see, yes, this is a post that made by your coach, and you can also rate it for him. If you think he is good, you can give some stars for him. I think he is quite good, and give him 5 stars, and sure, and his score is 5. And then we have message, and I remember that we have already sent a message to the user. Go and login. No, also the wrong number. Yeah. And this is the user center of Zoe, and we can see the message here to see if Lulu sent a message to her. Okay, we can see here. Lulu sent to you, good luck, and you can reply here. And for example, thanks, sure. And then the user will receive your message. So with the message section, you can communicate with other users to share your experience or just something like that. And then we will see what does admin mean. Admin can be registered because it is the administration of this system, so it is already the account and has already been in the system. And the user manage this. You can see all the users here, and this is the coach manage. You can see all the coaches here, and the yellow means that this coach didn't be this coach request for being a coach, but it requires your pass. It requires your pass. If you didn't pass, he won't be a coach. So if you click pass, he can be a coach, because not everyone can be a coach. Yeah. And then we have the last user type is question setter. Question setter is someone who can add or delete or edit the question. So if you log in, you can see the question bank. Yeah, here, and you can add new questions and input the title, description, solution, the type of questions, and the answer of questions. here, and you can also add some images about the question. And then if you commit, you will the question will be added in the bank, and you can also edit the question and or remove the question as well. So thank you.